One sunny day in San Fransokyo, Hiro and Baymax were strolling through the park. "Hey Baymax," said Hiro, "I think I've found a new yokai to help us." "Understood, Hiro," replied Baymax. "I will assist you in any way I can." They soon arrived at a mysterious forest, where the yokai was said to reside. "Be careful," Hiro warned Baymax. "We don't know what we might encounter." Hiro nodded bravely and they ventured deeper into the forest. Suddenly, they heard a strange noise. Hiro's eyes widened in excitement. "That's it," he exclaimed. "That's the yokai we've been searching for." The yokai appeared, with glowing eyes and a mystical aura. Hiro approached cautiously. "I've come to learn from you," he said. "I want to help people just like you do." The yokai nodded, and Hiro felt a surge of knowledge fill his mind. "Thank you," he said. "I will use this power to help those in need." Baymax and Hiro left the forest, feeling proud and ready to make a difference. "We've done it," Baymax said. "Hiro, we've found a new friend and a new way to help others." "Affirmative, Hiro," replied Baymax. "Together, we can make San Fransokyo a better place." As they walked home, Hiro couldn't help but feel grateful for his new friend and the adventure they'd shared. "Good night, Baymax," he said. "I can't wait for our next adventure." "Good night, Hiro," said Baymax. "Sweet dreams." And with that, Hiro drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the many adventures yet to come.